I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, so today I'm doing a how to apply false lashes tutorial with a voiceover. Okay, so the first step when applying false lashes is called pre-measure. You always want to pre-measure the lash against your natural lash line just in case the lash is a little bit too long and you have to make any necessary cuts. Okay, so as you guys can tell, this lash was just a little bit too long for my eye, so I had to just cut the two little segments off. And what you do to one lash, you always have to do to the other. But be careful though, because if you make a mistake when cutting, like you cut one outer corner, you cut the inner corner, you can mess up the lash that way. So make sure you always cut both of the outer corners. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm now just applying a little bit of glue along the lash strip with an applicator brush, and the glue that I use in this video is called Kiss with Aloe Vera that you can purchase at any drugstore or Walmart. Okay, this is a helpful tip and it's also an optional step. I'm just using the same applicator brush and I'm applying one little dot in between the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyelid. This step helps give the lash a little bit more security and longevity. Okay, so now we are ready to apply the lashes. You basically, when applying, you want to start in the middle and then work your way edge to edge. Okay, so now we're about to apply the next lash, and we're using the exact same method and steps that we did with the previous. And a little technique that I use, I kind of just keep pushing and squeezing the lash against my natural lashes to make sure that it sticks and it's like very secure.